What if you could turn your YouTube videos into actionable notes? So instead of watching 45 minutes worth of video, you could get to the good stuff right away. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Notebook to do just that in seconds. So here I am within my Google Gemini account, and we're not actually going to start with a new chat. The main reason, we don't want it to hallucinate. We only want it to pull information from a specific or a collection of videos. So on the left-hand side, we want to come over here and select New Notebook because we want to specify the specific sources. So in this case, I'm going to call this YouTube Video Notes. You can name it whatever you want, and you can come back and rename it as well. But the first thing that we want to do is come over to the right and add our sources. Now, there's a variety of different sources in which you can add, but when we're talking about videos, specifically YouTube videos, we want to select the Add Websites option. And here is where we can paste in any URLs. So for example, I want to learn more about Gemini Spark, and many of my YouTube friends are talking about Gemini Spark, but if I watched all three of these videos, it would be roughly 45 minutes in length. Instead, what I'm going to do is paste in the links for each of those videos. Now, it's very important that you paste them on separate lines. So whether you are dealing with websites or YouTube videos in this case, we want to paste them on separate lines here, and then we'll come down and select Insert. Now, it usually only takes a number of seconds, but what Gemini Notebook is going to do is take in all of the transcripts, every single word from all of those videos. With our sources now selected, now we can come down here and ask it anything about those videos. But in my case, I might suggest that you ask something like this. What are the key takeaways? What practical actions should I take? And what important details might I have missed? Remember, I haven't watched any of these videos, but I'm going to get the meat and potatoes. I'm going to get the good stuff right away. So in my example, it's given me a list of key takeaways. I can then scroll down to my practical actions and see what do I want to start doing right away. And then if I want to go further, I can review some of the things that I may have missed, especially if I spent the time watching all of these videos in succession. And remember, it doesn't have to stop there. I can keep asking it specific questions, and it will only use those YouTube videos as its sources. But here is a bonus tip. If you click on the name of your notebook, you'll see in the top right-hand corner, we can open up Gemini Notebook in full mode or in full screen. This is going to bring us to the same set of sources that we've uploaded, but now we can create and turn it into something better. My personal favorite is an infographic, so I can not only easily digest what I'm learning from those videos, but I can also share this with others, or I can quickly reference this as I'm learning something new. So if you don't have the time to watch every video that you're interested in, why not just get the good stuff with Gemini Notebook? Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have questions, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Remember, you deserve to work without feeling overwhelmed.